In today's video, we're going to talk about adding leading zeros, what that means and how to do it. So let's get into it. So I've got my data over here. Okay, so we have the old set. So this is our data set. It's currently located within the work library. And let's go ahead and open that data set, and I'll give you an idea as to what adding leading zeros is all about. So over here we have variable A. And within variable A, there are observations, and each observation is 3 digits long. Okay. And if we take a look at variable A right here, we see that it's a numeric variable. So let's go ahead and get out of that. So what we want to do is we want to add some leading zeros to variable A, because maybe we had leading zeros on our prior data, the data which was loaded in and became old set. Maybe it was in an Excel file or a CSV file, and there were leading zeros on that, but for whatever reason, they didn't come over. And so what a leading zero is it's a zero value of any particular number of zeros prior to the initial value within our set. So in this case, this would be 6 leading zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the 3 digits of our original observation. If we had 5 leading zeros, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 3, 4, and so on and so forth. So to do this, to achieve having the leading zeros re-added if they were originally into our data, in our original data, which was imported and became old set, we'd want to first refer to the old set. So that's set old set, okay? We're then going to create the new set from the old set. We're going to drop variable A, and from variable A, we're going to create variable B as a character variable with the appropriate number of leading zeros. So how this works is the Z variable right here, Z9, this is telling us how many zeros we want to have prior to our initial value. So for Z9, what that's saying is we want to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then our value, 7, 8, 9. So that's what that would achieve with Z9. So if we look at our old set here, we'd have 6 zeros and then 3, 3, 4, 6 zeros, 1, 1, 5, 6 zeros, 1, 1, 3, and so on and so forth. If we wanted to have, let's say we wanted to have 5 zeros before our value, well, that would be Z 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that would then be Z8, because again, we're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros, and then our initial 3 digits, 6, 7, 8. So let's go ahead and run this code snippet right here and see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and run that. And as you can see from the console output, everything ran correctly. So let's go ahead and open up our new set. So there we are. There are our leading zeros, and variable B is now a character variable. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that was indicated by Z9, because again, it's 6 zeros and then the number of digits in our initial value. The reason you might want to do this is if you want to maintain data integrity across various data sets, or if you want to have your data as it exists in SAS match exactly the data prior to it being imported, you would use this particular bit of code to achieve that. So I hope that you found this particular video to be useful. Like and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you later.